Chick-fil-A #1 stop. Well, first stop.
Is the friendly phone?
How much was it?
$8.54.
Thank you so much. Alright guys, we got the food. Next stop, Popeyes. Alrighty y'all, we're here at the Popeyes. We're over here at the Popeyes right now. We just got the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. We got that in the meal because I love the fries and had it for a minute. And I haven't tried the chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A, believe it or not. About to get this sandwich and we're gonna fucking settle this debate once and for all. Who has the better chicken sandwich? Popeyes or Chick-fil-A? And I'm about to smack both of them in front of y'all. I swear. But yeah, we out here. Sorry, give you guys that vertical action, but I had to. I'm trying to back up, but this line is huge, bro. Like, people are trying to get in that way and all the other ways to get this fucking sandwich. And it goes all the way around and it wraps around to that side on the opposite side of this building. Fuck it, guys. I'm just gonna run inside, I think. Can I even back out? I can. I'm backing out. Fuck that. Alright, yep. Fuck that. Alright, guys. What the hell is my wallet? Where about my wallet? Fuck this line. I swear. I had to go park all the way in the back. There's so many goddamn people over here. I swear. Let's go get this fucking Popeye sandwich. See what this shit's all about. Get the money in hand. Oh my god, there's so many people in here.
Nigga, I got up to the line and these niggas are out with sandwiches.
Guys, alright. Damn, the sun's all gleaming in my face and shit. Alright guys, well, I went and stood in line. I got out of my whip. I went inside Popeyes and fucking stood in another long ass line. Got to the front. I got to the front and they're out of fucking chicken sandwiches. Can you believe that shit? That means I'm only left with this. Chick-fil-A wins by default, I guess. Shit. Man, that is crazy. Out of all places, this place is supposed to be a chicken place. Popeyes, man. They out of chicken? They out of chicken? Well, fuck it. I guess that's the end of the video. But fuck, I haven't tried this sandwich either, so we'll give that a try. Alright, fuck, we're parked. And we're ready to fucking bust in this Chick-fil-A sandwich. Roll down my window a little bit. Got the sandwich, you about to see what they about. And I got it in the mail. Fuck, something just told me to get it in the mail because Popeyes is fucking out, bro. Fuck Popeyes. You fucking... What the fuck's camp? And this fucking... These fries are bomb, bro. Like, salted perfectly. Alright, we're done with that. Let's get to the main course. Oh, dude, fries at the bottom of the bag. Boom, I got everything on it. Fuck this, take it out the fucking box. Everything on it. You feel me? Yep, fuck, can you even see that? I don't know, but anyways. Let's try it, bros. Let's get it. But damn, they're out of chicken, bro. I'm gonna have to come back like in the morning or something and make like a part 2 to this shit. I know I'm gonna name this video. I'm gonna take a picture of Popeye's logo, and it's gonna say the video title's gonna be "We're out of chicken," or "They're out of chicken," or some shit, some clickbait shit. But yeah, this isn't bad at all. This kind of tastes like, it's tender. The outside is like cooked crispy enough, like it's proper, you know? It's juicy. I think the cheese on it is like making it hit another flavor. Let me get some of these fries, man. Look at this shit. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit. It stuck to my leg. Fuck that tomato. But hey, guys. What should I get for my birthday? So I get a gun? Or should I get the new Xbox? I'm really not sure what I want. Probably get one of them. Like, the reason why I went gun is just basically because obvious reason, self-defense, all that shit. And then I like shooting guns. I just like shooting stuff. It's fun. But yeah. Everyone's gonna be very disappointed when they get to the window and there's no fucking sandwiches. I want to see if maybe I could hit another Popeyes. That's what I should go do. Well, that was that sandwich. God damn, that shit was bomb. Thank you, Chick-fil-A, coming through. Chick-fil-A, eat more chicken.